Hi, audiophile. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the Beyerdynamic DT 990 Pro 250 ohm over-ear studio headphones earpads cushions very easily. This tutorial can also be used for the Beyerdynamic DT 770 or DT 880 headphone models. With your index finger, pull off the earpad cup. It's easy and quick to do. New earpads cushions can be found on eBay, Amazon or Aliexpress. Links to new earpads will be in the video description. Putting on new earpads is almost as easy. The rim of the ear cup has to be placed over the housing edge of the headphones. The earpad rim, that is over the headphone's housing, should be held in place with the free fingers so that earpad rim does not fall off. Continue pulling over the remaining edge of the earpads until you have got it all over. It's a bit harder the first time, but next time you'll be a pro. Once the whole earpad is on, you can twist it so that it sits in place. That's it, so easy. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below the video. Thank you, and have a nice day.